Welcome back to little helpful hints and tips. This is Armoury's little YouTube channel. I was asked to make a case gauge for a client. I don't know if you can see that particularly well. So that was a fired case from his gun. I then effectively drilled it out and threaded it, and then using the Hornady case gauge, we made this contraption, and then we've given him one bullet out of his order, and as you can see, that goes up and down like that. And then we can measure the actual size of the chamber.